Welcome to till connection and synchronization tutorial. In order to connect any two or more till together as a system, the IP address of the till should be static. To do so, we need to check first in the network setting. Then we'll check in command prompt, open command prompt and type ipconfig and click enter. You will get the IP address details. In those details, IPv4 address should be static, which means that IP address should not change for every restart. If it does, we can't sync any till. To change the IP address to static, click on Change Adapter Options from Ethernet in the settings. And right-click on Ethernet and click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. By default, Obtain an IP address automatically will be enabled. But we should change it to use the following IP address option. And then we have to type the IP details which was shown in the command prompt. Type the details as shown in the command prompt and for preferred DNS server type 8888 and for alternate DNS server type 884 for then click OK button. Now open SQL Server Configuration Manager. Then right-click on TCP IP from Protocols for SQL EXPISS. Click Yes at Enabled in the Protocol tab. Then move to IP Address tab, scroll down and in the IP for section select Yes in the Enabled and remove 0 from TCP dynamic ports. Again, scroll down and remove 0 then type 1450 in the API section. Click on Apply and click OK. In the SQL Server Services, double-click on SQL Server Browser. Click Service tab and select Automatic from Start Mode and click on Apply. Click on Log On tab and click Start button. After it got running, click OK button. After changing some setting in the SQL Server Browser properties, we should stop running and have to run again SQL Server Browser and SQL Server. We can able to connect with outer system only after these servers in running state. Next open Windows Defender Firewall from Control Panel, click on Advanced Setting in the left. Click Inbound Rules in the left and then select New Rule at the right. In the New Rule section, select Port Radio button and click Next button. Then select TCP Radio button and type 1450 in the specific local ports as shown below. Click Next. Then make sure Allow the Connections is selected and click Next. Again, click Next. Finally type SQL in the name and click Finish button. In the same way, click New Rule button and do the same process except select UDP instead if TCP. Now your system is ready to sync.